again, assembly was very, very good. Let's give a huge round of applause. Once again, 9B has performed well. This should be the spirit. And once again, thanks to Sir Sushil. Secondly, Sir Sushil. One Dantasa, another Talavesha. Sir Sushil. And Arya Arpan, she. Your speech, your poem was quite good, but pronunciation part, the beginning, the letter where you are putting a stress, that is she. Please pronounce the Sa Shakti Karan. So when you come upon the stage, just try to pronounce the word clearly, do the practice beforehand, and especially Sa and Sha, differentiate them nicely. Class 1, after news you won't have to clap. न्यूज के बाद ताली नहीं बजानी है. जब भैया दीदी न्यूज पढ़ेंगे उसके बाद ताली बिल्कुल नहीं बजानी है, क्लैपिंग नहीं करनी है. डिड यू गेट दैट वन? क्लास 1 बात समझ में आई? न्यूज के बाद ताली बजानी है, क्लैप करनी है, एकदम नहीं होना है. नेक्स्ट टाइम आई विल सी दिस. And when you stand in the assembly ground, please, whatever your PT teacher gives you command, follow that one. Stand at ease, your legs should be open. Attention, legs should be closed, hands straight, body straight, shoulders straight, chest up, taking up when you take the pledge, that time also, left hand straight, you make your fist and this hand straight, join your fingers. Class 1, आपको अच्छे से pledge लेना with good sound, बोलना है जोर से. क्लास 1 क्लास में भी प्रैक्टिस करेंगे बोलने की और स्टैंडर्डीज अटेंशन की. क्लास 1 टीचर्स 2 sentences every day give the conversation practice. Class 1, 2 and 3 I would say. Simple sentences, what is required nowadays, please give the conversation practice. And maths teacher, this is a request from my side, please provide them syllabus for maths weekly test which will be held on 15th of April. So please provide the syllabus so that the student can prepare. From tomorrow you have Easter holidays, 5 days holidays, 6 to 10. On 11th school will reopen. So on reopening date everybody has to present. सभी को उस दिन प्रेजेंट होना है. ट्रेन लेट थी, मम्मी की तबीयत खराब थी, मैं यहाँ नहीं था, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू लिसन एनी एक्सक्यूज. Try to present in the campus on 11th of April. After 5 days, this is the long holiday, you have to come. And dear teachers, please assign some homework in all the subjects, either learning or writing part. You may give the writing practice also in class 2. So please assign a little homework, learning whatever till now you have taught, give them to read, learn, these things you may give. And maths teacher, please give the syllabus for the weekly test. Weekly test of 25 marks. Class 1 will get the question paper, rest of them they will bring the standard size paper, you will give the notice for that also. That's all for today's